right, hi, I'm Benjamin Bohlmann. I am the managing partner of Bohlmann Accounting Group, and we are located in Miami, Florida. We are currently 15 people. We do offer a full range of accounting services, tax, audit, some consulting as well. We are located in Miami, but we service really I would call it a multinational clientele because that's what Miami is. We literally started the accounting firm in a coffee shop on the back of a napkin. There were a group of about 6 of us at another place, and we knew a few others as well. We all sort of decided we wanted to be a little bit different, a little bit more progressive, a little bit tech-oriented, a lot more flexible, and set up a really niche sort of accounting practice, and we pulled the trigger. What we're trying to do at Bohlmann Accounting Group is offer an opportunity, a professional opportunity to people that are looking for a much more open architectural sort of professional career arc. We don't really have standard hours, but you gotta work and you have to work hard. But I don't really care if you come in at 9 o'clock or at noon, as long as you get your work done. I also don't care if you do the work in the office or at home or on the beach. Just don't get sand in your laptop. So we're trying to service our clients at an exceptionally high level, but giving the individual the opportunity to provide that service in the way that's most convenient or most available to that person. We're trying to build that into the very values of who we are and how we're going to move forward together. Let me give you an example. We have one person, a woman that works here, and she has twins. They're like preschool, whatever 4-year-olds are. And she had been working downtown, so we're much closer to her home. But more importantly, some days she actually can't come in at all because it's a school holiday. So she can work from home, and she does when she taps into the network when she's available to do so. Kids are napping. Sometimes she taps into the network at 9 o'clock at night after she's put the kids down. Other times, quite honestly, she's in the office by 7 a.m. because she's got a nanny or her husband's taking care of the kids. She probably has more chargeable hours and handles more of our bigger clients than anyone else in the office. I have absolutely no qualms about her quite varied schedule of hours. She gets her work done, and she gets it done at a very high level. Some people really need a tight hierarchy. We're not for them. We're for the people who want a little bit more control, a little bit more flexibility. And we're not just giving them flexibility for a week or a month. The same value extends throughout their professional career. All of our managers are on partner track. Some of them are going to be partner with an admission date in about 2 years. Others that choose to stretch it out a little bit, but we're not goofing around. We're not deferring people. We're not making empty promises. They will make partner. They have milestones. They have things that they have to accomplish. But if they do that, the door is open. I can't wait for more partners. We're serious about it. I think the person that would be a great fit here at Bohlmann Accounting Group would know it because they don't fit into the mold of other institutionalized type accounting firms. Not to take anything away from those firms because I started there, but there's a different path. There's a path that a person would have much more choice about who they are, how they're going to work, when they're going to work, and even what they're going to wear when they go to work. For example, we put together a 3-word clothing rule. All right, so we don't business attire, casual, Friday. No, it's very simple. Our clothing rules, 3 words. Clothing is mandatory. There are no exceptions to that rule. But I don't care if it's jeans and a t-shirt. I don't care if it's a 3-piece suit. I literally don't care. Because, like I said, the people we're looking for, they're smart, they're strong, and they work hard. I'm not going to give them any grief if they come in a t-shirt. I don't care. I just care that they work and work hard. If we have a person who's coming to us from the Big Four, maybe they're considering a switch into private industry, what we try to explain to them is the path that we're featuring. We're still very much a public accounting firm. Debits are still on the left, credits are still on the right. There is a long bunch of hours at different times of the year. However, you're going to have the opportunity from maybe not the first day, but the second day, to have a direct relationship with the client and to make a difference in what that client does in their business and in their life. We truly want you to be in tight with our clients, to be the person that they're going to call if they have a question or a complaint or a comment, so that you have a much more hands-on opportunity than certainly I ever did when I was in the Big Four. The work was excellent, but I felt very removed from the client. The opposite is the case here. So if we have a candidate who really likes to work not just with the numbers, but with the people who are the numbers, that's who we want to talk to. Those are the kind of people that have a very positive opportunity here that they won't have, I don't believe, have in a Big Four environment or a large regional firm environment, but would have in our office. We're growing. We have a plan of how we're going to grow. The biggest constraint is talent. So to sort of use a sports analogy, we're looking for the best available player, and we'll draft that person regardless of the actual position. That being said, we do have some specific needs. One specific need that we have right now is accounting, attestation, audit, whatever you want to call that specific space. We have a need there. The specific number of years or seasons of experience, we're quite open. It could be someone with having just completed their first season at a Big Four and don't really feel comfortable there, or it could be someone with 6 years experience, a manager with pretty sophisticated stuff. We would be very interested in talking to either of those two people. Obviously, their role here would be quite different, but we have a need at both levels. We're also always looking for people that are focused on private corporations, privately owned companies, family businesses, high net worth individuals. That's our world. We focus on those people. Again, that is the South Florida economy. We need people that can service them and service them like crazy. It's all about the relationship we have with our clients. The skill set of a CPA and a master's degree is a ticket into the game, but it doesn't get you much further than that. We will take you at that point and we'll get you where we want you to be, as fast or as slow as you're able to, or as fast or slow as you want. I'm Benjamin Bohlmann. I am the managing partner of Bohlmann Accounting Group. We would be really happy to talk to you, and I urge you to learn a little bit more about us on Accounting Fly.